Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find trending ideas on Pinterest. So you will just follow these steps. You will just explore the Pinterest like this explore page and to see what's the trending in your niche. And you will just type related keywords in the search bar right over here and check the autocomplete suggestions for popular topics. So if I just scroll down, so this is the popular on Pinterest. You will see right over here like painting ideas, mirror selfie, chill guy, pink background. So you will just also analyze idea pin, look for idea pin and with high engagement like comments and saves for inspirations. If I just tab on it, so here you will see, but right now there in this post the likes on only 6, but you will just find it in later. You will just find for high likes comments, and you will just save it for inspirations, and you will just follow popular boards, identify influential accounts on board in your niche and monitor their latest pins. You will just explore it, the Pinterest images, and you will just engage with analytics. If you are a creator, use Pinterest analytics to track what your content is resonate with your audience. So in this way you can just use Pinterest for finding trending ideas on right over here. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.